Designing your destiny. Stepping into the world of architecture. The world of architecture beckons, promising a fulfilling career for those with a passion for design, a keen eye for detail, and a desire to shape the spaces we inhabit. From towering skyscrapers to cozy homes, architects are the artists and engineers behind the built environment, transforming visions into reality. But how does one embark on this exciting journey and navigate the path to becoming a successful architect? The good news is that while the journey requires dedication and hard work, it is an achievable dream for aspiring architects. This essay serves as your compass, guiding you through the initial steps and offering a glimpse into the diverse specializations that await within this multifaceted profession. Join us as we unlock the door to a rewarding career in architecture and explore the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. The blueprint to success. Navigating the path to becoming an architect. Becoming an architect is a structured process that lays the foundation for a successful career. The first step involves obtaining a professional degree in architecture, typically a Bachelor of Architecture or a Master of Architecture. These programs provide a comprehensive education in architectural design, history, theory, building technology, and professional practice. They equip aspiring architects with the knowledge and skills necessary to translate creative visions into functional and aesthetically pleasing structures. Following graduation, aspiring architects typically gain practical experience through internships at architectural firms. This hands-on experience is invaluable, allowing them to apply their academic knowledge in real-world settings, work alongside seasoned professionals, and gain a deeper understanding of the industry. The final step to becoming a licensed architect involves passing the architect registration examination. This rigorous exam assesses an individual's knowledge and skills across various aspects of architectural practice, ensuring they meet the professional standards required to practice independently. Crafting homes, building dreams. Residential architecture and its rewards. Residential architecture, as its name suggests, focuses on the design and construction of homes. This specialization encompasses a wide range of projects, from single-family dwellings to apartments, townhouses, and even retirement communities. Residential architects work closely with clients to understand their needs, preferences, and lifestyles, translating those aspirations into functional and aesthetically pleasing living spaces. Profitability in residential architecture is often linked to the scale and complexity of projects undertaken. Designing custom homes for affluent clients or developing luxury apartment complexes can be particularly lucrative. Furthermore, specializing in a niche area within residential architecture, such as sustainable design or historic preservation, can command premium fees. Section 4. Shaping cityscapes. Commercial architecture and its lucrative potential. Commercial architecture encompasses the design and construction of buildings primarily intended for commercial use. This specialization includes a vast array of projects, ranging from office buildings and retail spaces to hotels, restaurants, and entertainment venues. Commercial architects often collaborate with developers, businesses, and government agencies to create functional, aesthetically pleasing, and commercially viable structures. Commercial architecture projects tend to be large-scale and complex, often involving substantial budgets. As such, this specialization offers significant profit potential for architects. Developing a strong portfolio of successful commercial projects can lead to high-profile commissions and lucrative contracts. Section 5. Designing for nature and community landscape architecture and its impact. Landscape architecture focuses on the design of outdoor spaces, encompassing both natural and built environments. Landscape architects work with parks, gardens, plazas, campuses, and other outdoor areas to create functional, aesthetically pleasing, and sustainable spaces that enhance the human experience. While profitability in landscape architecture is generally not as high as in some other specializations, it offers a unique set of rewards. Landscape architects play a vital role in creating sustainable and resilient environments, improving public health and well-being, and enhancing the beauty and functionality of our communities. Section 6. Beyond the Horizon. A glimpse into more architectural adventures. This exploration of architectural specializations has only scratched the surface of this multifaceted profession. In future installments, we will delve deeper into other captivating areas such as urban planning, interior design, and sustainable architecture. Stay tuned as we uncover the unique challenges, rewards, and profit potential that await within each of these specialized realms. The world of architecture is vast and ever-evolving, offering a lifetime of learning, growth, and fulfillment for those who dare to shape the spaces we inhabit.